The Condor septic tank is strong, shallow and light and needs no concrete when installing it. It contains a special baffle inside which separates the liquids from the solids. And these are just some of the reasons why the Condor septic tank is another great example of a low profile septic tank. So how do you install the Condor low profile septic tank? Well, as I said, it's really easy. Just dig a hole and put the Condor septic tank into the hole. The reason why they're a lot easier to install than the big, bulky onion septic tanks is because they're so shallow. Typically, a Condor septic tank will take you about 40 to 60 minutes to install. Once you've done that, backfill around the Condor tank, filling it up to about 3/4 in height up the side of the tank. Backfill with 20 to 30 mil shingle, sand, or some other type of granular material. Once you've done that, simply cover everything over with topsoil. Job done. So, with the Condor tank, you can also attach risers, so that enables you to sink it deeper into the ground. So let's see how to do that. Dig the hole to the desired depth, then simply place the Condor septic tank on the bottom of the hole and attach the riser. The risers just clip on to the Condor septic tank, and the risers typically are about 1 meter or 1,000 millimeters in height. They're even adjustable, so you can trim them down to your desired depth. Once you've done that, simply backfill with granular backfill, sand or shingle, and then cover everything over with topsoil. Job done. For more information, just click the link below this video or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.